too. I was prior to joining the server. Someone's on Fat Boy? Oh no, that's my survivors. Duh. There. Now I'm joining the right way. Oh man, I'm tired.
Do you happen to have the smithy and the forge?
I can make it.
We're gonna need it.
Yeah,
I don't have access to it. Or I do, but I don't have the points for it.
Yeah, you won't have to worry.
So what?
So you won't have to worry, I can make it.
Yeah, let's go. You're...
Are these things following? Oh, okay, good. Lead the way.
Alrighty. I had a weird idea of trying to tame a Bronto earlier, by the way.
Hold on, 1 second. Okay, good. What's your weird idea?
Yeah, I was gonna tame a Bronto, but I ran into a slight problem. I downed the Bronto, I was like gonna do it, all that fucking trank arrows to down it, and then suddenly a stupid little dillo sits directly inside it so I can't get to it and eats the Bronto's body until it dies. Kinda mad.
Are you sprinting?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that your only dino, or the only one you're bringing?
It's the only thing I have, remember? I didn't have anything. On Fat Boys. Fat Gaming, whatever.
Okay.
I've never had anything on this server.
It was all on the other one.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I don't know what you call it. Oh, it goes, the turtle. Sorry, I had to pump my nipples. I like how the Carnos keep up. They do a really good job at keeping up.
Well, they're fast. They're just not as fast as Raptors.
I feel like not a non-ridden Carno is just as fast as a ridden Raptor. Hold up. He decided to take a dump.
That's such a lie. Scorpions don't dump.
He actually did stop.
I saw that parasaur over there.
No, I did check out the Parasaur too, but he actually took a dump. I know those stupid pig beasts don't take dumps though.
The ones you have the worst luck with?
Yep. I got some jumpiness there. Let go of me, you fucking turtle.
Yeah, I kind of got a little bit too.
It's probably loading the rest of this island over here.
I think we're close. Yeah, we're close. Holy crap. I mean, it's still a good distance away, but we can see the island, basically.
More random people joining.
Really?
Two sabers behind you. Two sabers behind you.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Are they even hurt? That's a little damage. Chompy? Yeah, they took a little damage from that 66. Look, I'm floating.
I don't think these float.
Yeah, they glide.
Oh, they're kind of quick too.
I think it's because they don't really technically
Fucking turtle!
follow the lead.
What was I say? This is where we have to cut across these things.
Do what?
This is where we have to cut across things.
No, you don't have to.
A raptor? That's Dilla.
What?
Dilla. They're on the back run on now. A mammoth. A mammoth on the coastline? Really?
Yeah. They wanted.
Oh my god, I'm stuck inside it. About ready to kill it. I'm free. I'm free.
Oh, I just went to save you.
Bird!
Oh no. Cause them to attack. Harvest that.
Bird's really good.
What?
T-Rex! T-Rex!
Run.
Man, I'm coming.
Wow, how did we dodge that?
We could easily take it. Well, that is what level it is, actually.
I'm not about to chance it and find out what level it is.
I have a situation.
You have a what?
I have a situation.
What?
My pet's torpo's maxed out.
And?
It got stung by that scorpion. And it like literally maxed it out.
Just don't aggro anything and you'll be fine. I know it's easier said than done, but...
That T-Rex, fuck man, it came right out of the forest. Did you see that?
No, I was faced the opposite direction.
It was just like a beeline right out of the forest, right before that strike over there.
Do you think it's safe to cross here?
Yeah, this is where we crossed last time.
Well, hold on. How deep is it? Because I saw megalodons.
Make sure you have enough stam on your cut.
I'm crawling on the bottom of the ocean,
Yep,
dude.
see, it shits. It shits.
What's attacking?
The piranhas.
Hold on, man.
Well, he is breathing, so it's okay.
It's a 48. That could kill him. Go, go, go. Oh my god, these things swim pretty good.
They really do!
Wow.
They really do! Look at that red brontosaurus once you get across. That is actually a pretty cool color.
It's like a fire belly. Is he getting attacked again?
All I know is I wish I could turn down this music.
What is attacking?
Fine. Remember, they're spawning in swarms now.
This way. Wrong way.
This one?
Oh, well, this way's the easiest way.
We went the other way last time.
Right here.
Wait.
What?
Oh, I know where we are.
Yeah.
It's just that obelisk way out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright.
I told you we were right here. We were close.
Yeah, this is a little scary going through it. It's kind of foggy.
It's scary because we don't know what's on the inside.
Yeah, we don't know how many buildings it's made in here.
Be careful, man.
But now you mention it. I want to make sure we have plenty of stamina if we run into something. On the bright side, if we do run across a T-Rex, we probably could sting it, bring it down
No.
if we need to.
No, we couldn't. We've tried.
I must go save it.